Now, the next thing that I want to look into is how to import your media into the media bin over here, or my media panel over here. So you have 3 methods to do that. But before we go deep into that, let me show you how I arrange my media in my folder so that it becomes very easily classified. And when I import them, I know what I import, and it makes my work quite easy during the editing. So let me show you this folder, which contains the iMovie folder. So this is the iMovie folder. I have all my video footage over here, and then I have the music footage that I'm going to use for this editing, and then I have some B-rolls that we can use during this editing process, which are classified into images and videos as well. So I have videos that I want to use as B-roll, and then we have images as well that I want to use also as B-rolls. So it all boils down to you. You have to learn to arrange your footage accordingly so you avoid getting confused as you move around. So these are videos that I download that we're going to use to serve as our B-rolls. And then these are music, and then these are the main videos that I'm going to use. Example, specifically this sample video, I'm going to use it, and some other ones that I'm going to import as well to show you how to use. So basically there are 3 methods to import. You can come all the way to this point and click on import, and you will navigate across your system to the main within the local drive to access the features, access the media that you have, be it image, be it a video, be it a music. You can access them directly, and then you can just select. You can select one, or you can select multiple. For example, I can select music, I can select this B-roll, I can select these pixels, I can select these videos, I can select everything, and I can just come over here and say import selected. All of these are going to be imported into my media. Okay, so you can see all of them have been imported from that first method. Additionally, the second method is you can come all the way to this small import media. You can click on it, and it will bring you to the same place. You can do the selection from there as well and import. Or you can come to file over here and come to import media, or you can hit on Command I to do the importing, and you do the same thing. Alternatively, which is one of the most effective, is you can just come all the way over here and just drag and drop. You can drag and drop the media that you want to import. You can drag and drop it. You can easily drag and drop it into my media. So very easy. So this is how to import media into the media bin. So to import it into the timeline, you have 2 options. For example, as you hover over any video clip, you will be able to see its preview on the preview canvas. You can see as you navigate around, you have a small playhead that you can navigate around across. You can see, and you can be able to see the preview of it. So once you select, you may be able to import a specific section of this video into the timeline. If you want to import the entire video, you can just click on this plus sign to add it into the timeline, just like so. It just adds it very nicely, and this is the main timeline because it has this black bars at the end of it. This is the main timeline. You can do that, or you can easily also drag and drop the video into the timeline, just like so. You can decide to select this and delete this, and you can see it imported this one. I prefer this video clip because it comes with the audio, and you can see the audio waveform beneath it. You can see the distribution of the waveform beneath it, and you can see the video part. So this is to import this one, and then you can import images as well. If you want, you can import the image as well and just paste it. And you can see it's connected. You import this image as well, or if you want to import this video, you can import anything. Just by dragging and dropping, you can import virtually anything of your choice. And the same thing goes with the audio. You can import anything and paste it just like the application process. And if you want to cancel that, you can do that by right click over here and say select entire clip, and everything now is back to normal. So this is very easy way of importing media into the timeline. And I hope you can see as you import the media, you'll be able to preview it over here. You can be able to preview across. This view is iMovie that gives you this zooming and moving view. iMovie gives you this very fantastic cinematic look of the video clip. Okay, so you can see it around. You have the option to use the playhead also to navigate very easily. You can see you can navigate around very nicely across the clip and across the timeline. You'll be able to see the preview over here. You can select any point to serve as a reference point, and then you can do different kind of actions across with reference to that particular point that you've selected. So this is how to import media into the media bin and import it into the timeline to start editing your footage or start constructing or making your videos. I think that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.